ನಮಸ್ತೆ. ನಾನು ಲೆಫ್ಟಿನೆಂಟ್ ಕರ್ನಲ್ ಶಶಿಕಲಾ ಅಂತ, ಡೆಂಟಲ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್. ಈಗ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಮುಗಿಸಿ ರೈಟ್ ನಾವು ಹೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕಂಪ್ನಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ನನಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಟು ಶೇರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಮೀ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟುಡೇ ಅಂತ. ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಅ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ವಿಲೇಜ್ ವಿಚ್ ಜವಾಹರ್ ನವೋದಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯ made me into something, and today what I am because of the Navodayan in me. And just asking few people what is the success story of Navodaya doesn't suffice. When I say this, it is life-changing event which has happened to students like us. I am second batch student of Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya because we used to prepare ourselves from third standard to join schools like Kittur Rani Chennamma School. Never knew about Navodaya in the beginning when I was preparing from third standard, but at the end of fifth standard I came to know that Navodaya school has just started and we can get admission as a second batch students if I try. Fortunately, it was meant for me, God sent school, so I got selected and then my journey began. I always knew that I wanted to study and become a doctor or something, but we were confused how to reach there, and this school had all the answers. Our principal Katte Basangoda sir, everybody knows, he stood by his words and he was strict in all terms. Like anywhere, any paper seen in the campus, he never used to tolerate. He used to make us plant trees at that time. Saturday, Sundays were never wasted. I now understand what it meant for him to bring those qualities in us. I had mentors, Satish Kumar sir, Nirmala ma'am, Nalini ma'am, Swarnalata ma'am, Kadam sir, like our teachers still I remember because that much depth they connected with us. I have participated in all the sports in Navodaya. My favorite used to be 100 meter. I used to top there, and when we come home to our parents, when we express that we have won some medals or we show them, they were happy about it, but there was always a disconnect. They didn't know our potential completely because the grooming what was happening at school level, the way they were achieving things through us, that was impossible for parents to imagine that what all has gone through bringing up us. I dedicate complete grooming to Navodaya. It has given that internal power in you to face any difficulties in life in a different way. We are different. So when I joined army, I served 5 years outside. I had a beautiful clinic. I can give something back to the nation. That was my thought process when I saw an advertisement calling for entry in the army. So it was a surprise for me. In service sector with a child you can join army, and again distinct nature they could see as an officer. Most of them have connected and they've asked me where did you study. Then I used to say Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya. Then that used to give us more edge, and because I could see some of other officers who are from the same background and we used to connect so well, and it takes a few minutes to connect because we know our values and our systems, and that gave me a lot of confidence in saying I am a Navodayan proudly, and I always represented with a lot of pride whenever I mention about Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya. And then I finished my 14 years of service with Indian Army, and then there was an opportunity to study further. Indian Institute of Management Lucknow is a prestigious organization. Again when I joined there, still all the challenges, all the classes, all the memories of Navodaya will come to you because they are also very strict. So it is very easy for us to mold and take the role of a student. At the age of 42 also I was very comfortable studying. Then I finished, and then in the campus I got a opportunity to join company which is dealing with healthcare, that is Stan Plus. Having all this journey as a professional growth or a personal growth, this Navodaya has an impact on you, and this is a beautiful concept which was given to India for children like us who were in remote villages where we knew we have to study, we knew we wanted something out of life, and this school came to us as a perfect combination. Free education given at that standard was never thought of. Now I have a son, he's completed his engineering and I have taken care of his education from first standard. I know how much it costs to give a good education. So I understand, I totally agree, the government spent a lot on us, and it's not only money spent which mattered. They believed that it will change lives, and they believed that doing this at the education level, bringing the structure into that, which was experimented first time. Maybe I'm a second batch student, but I just want to convey it's a successful story. It has changed many lives. I am in touch with my batchmates. Most of them are doing very, very good. In Navodaya, they started new concept called migration. But as a migration student, when I went for Farrukhabad, UP, Ram Janmabhoomi problems, so many issues, we were facing them in real time, and it was extraordinary experience, I can say, because after that, when now I am in army, no place looked strange to me. I got adapted so well, and my Hindi was excellent, because if I want to connect to my Jawans in the army, it's a language which will connect me. So this is all credit to our Navodaya school, because reading Hindi, writing Hindi or talking Hindi was so fluent, and it made my complete career in the army so easy. So these are small things I can go on listing, and it is not enough to give the credit to Navodaya. It has groomed us in every way, and a lot of people have benefited in this. I thank, because when we joined for a meet, only one meet I attended for alumni meet, I could understand the energy we had, the giving back nature, what we all want to do something. I volunteer, and I tell anything if I can do as an alumni of Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, or any activities I can be part of, I would be very glad. And I'm thankful to all the people till now. They are bearing the torch and taking it forward, changing many lives like ours. Thank you, Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti, and please let us know if anything I can do. Jai Hind.